Meaning of disagreeably.
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 Disagreeably. Disagreeably means in a manner that is unpleasant or causing discomfort. It is an adverb used to describe something that causes dislike or annoyance. For instance, a disagreeable sound may refer to loud noise that is hard on the ears or an unpleasant aroma that is offensive to the nose. A disagreeable experience could also refer to a situation that is difficult to endure or tolerate. In summary, disagreeably implies a negative or unfavorable outcome that is hard to accept or bear.